Happy and joyful day, dear children. I am safe here. I hope you all are safe. After a long time, we are meeting you. I'm very happy to see you back. Now, I'm not here to teach you anything, but I'm going to share you a small story which I read during my holidays. Shall I? Yes. Now, by seeing the picture, you could have recognized what type of story I am going to say you. Can you guess? Yes, you're right. It is a detective story, otherwise, a mystery story. Now, the name of the story is The Puppy Puzzle. The name of the story is Puppy Puzzle. It was a bright sunny morning. Ace detective Johnny Knew-It. Johnny Knew-It is the name of the detective. Now he was enjoying his morning with a banana milkshake and reading a newspaper. And he was planning how to laze all the day. That time he heard a big noise. Mr. Knew-It, Mr. Knew-It, you have got to help me, cried someone in panic. Johnny nearly jumped out of his skin. Here, the phrase jumped out of his skin really means he was shocked. And the banana milkshake, what happened to banana milkshake? It split over his hands. The voice belonged to Asha. Who is it? Asha, the girl from the next door. She was in tears and looked very upset. Now Johnny Knew-It asked, "What is the matter, Asha?" And he wiped the milkshake off from his hands. "It's my puppy Pepper. I can't find her. It has been stolen." It was a voice of Asha. She bursted into tears. Now Johnny Knew-It consoled her and make her to sit, and what happened, asked her about the details. Actually, Asha lost her puppy Pepper. Pepper is the name of the puppy. She adopted Pepper 2 days ago. She was only 2 months old and a very playful, beautiful and cute puppy. She gulped a few sobs and explained, "Yesterday I was going to the park to play. No dogs were allowed to the play area, so I tied my puppy Pepper as usual to a lamppost in the garden and went to play. When I came back, she was missing," cried Asha again and again. "Maybe," Johnny Knew-It said, "maybe you didn't tie her properly and so that she ran away." But she said confidently, "It is impossible. Her chain was still tied to the lamppost. It looks like someone unhooked her chain and took her away. Please help me, Johnny Knew-It." And she was crying, and Johnny Knew-It said, "Relax, baby. Stop crying. Stop wailing. Tell me how many people know about your new puppy." And Asha thought for a minute. She said, "My friend Ria came over to see her, but she was really scared of dogs and refused to pet her." And next, who else? 1 second, she thought and said, "Amar, our newspaper boy. He played with Pepper for quite a while yesterday. And do you think he could have kidnapped her?" Johnny Knew-It said, "Let's not blame anyone until we have proof." And did any other person who came to your house happen to see Pepper? Yes, she thought again and said, "Sandeep, he works in a fix-all mechanic shop down the road. He came to repair my cycle," said Asha again. He didn't seem to pay any attention to Pepper at all. "Anyone else?" asked Johnny. "Let me think." Again, he thought for a while and said, "The milkman. But I think Pepper was sleeping indoor when he came. And again, my friend Rohan came over. He loves dog and offered to walk Pepper on the weekends. So now Johnny knew its turn. Now interesting. So there are many suspects, said Johnny. Suspects here refer to someone who may be dishonest or unpleasant without proof. So I can't think anyone else, said Asha. Now it's Johnny knew its turn to inspect and get a puppy Pepper. This is a problem. Now let us see how Johnny Newett found the puppy Pepper. Now Johnny Newett and Asha went to the park and inspected the chain that was still tied to the lamppost. He closely inspected and observed keenly, and he said, "All right, let's go and get her." But Asha was astonished. "You know where she is?" "How?" she asked, and amazed. She was very amazed. "Follow me," said Johnny, and walked out of the gate. Asha hurried to catch up. While going, Johnny said, "Asha, it's really important to wash your hands." And Asha was puzzled. "I know that," she said. "Sometimes not washing your hands can be dangerous," continued Johnny. And Asha's puzzle increased even more. She saw her hands, it was very clear and clean. Now they two walked to the end of the road and stood outside the Fix-All mechanic shop. Fix-All mechanic shop is a mechanic shop where Sandeep was working. Now can you able to identify? "Do you think puppy is here?" asked Asha hopefully. Now Johnny said, "Yes. Only one way to find out." Sandeep was very busy in working on his cycle. "Sandeep," said Johnny, "we have come to collect the puppy you took away." Now Sandeep looked very shocked and scared. He recovered quickly. He didn't show his fear in his face. And "What are you talking about?" "I don't know." Asha suddenly heard a faint whine from the back of the shop. Pepper. Whine is a long complaining cry of a dog. "Pepper," she cried, running towards the sound. Sandeep looked cornered. Asha yelled in fear, "I found her, I found her. She's here. Oh, my little puppy, Pepper, Pepper," she shouted with glee. Glee here refers to happiness. Her happiness knew no bounds. She came back holding a dirty little puppy that was very busy in licking her face. So Sandeep said sternly is very seriously, "You still don't know what I'm talking about?" And Sandeep said, I'm sorry, looking very guilty. "The puppy was so cute, I just couldn't resist here, fighting with the desire or wish. I have always wanted to adopt a dog, and puppy was so cute, so I cannot resist my wish." Miss Newett, "How did you know that Sandeep took her?" asked Asha happily. "Simple, my dear. The chain had grease stains on the spots where Sandeep had touched it to take it off. I realized that a mechanic is the one who have grease on his hands," explained Johnny. Now, can you able to understand why Johnny Newett said to wash hands clearly? Yes, I hope Johnny Newett has solved a crime which mechanic Sandeep was a culprit, and Asha got her puppy again. She was so happy. Now, children, I hope you understood the story. Now the question time. Whose puppy was Pepper? Exactly right, Asha's puppy. Who took Pepper? Right, Sandeep. Now, what is the moral of the story, dear? Yes, we should not take any things without their permission. Thank you so much. We'll meet you again.